Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Fashion and lifestyle blogging is not as easy as fancy as it sounds, albeit no 2 days are same when it comes to blogging, experiences, occasions or encounters. Every day is a new experience and my experience has been quite wavy as well as exciting at the same time. It's a considerable amount of juggling between fashion shoots, video shoots, travel, social gatherings, meeting people and events. I just hardly get any time to take care of my skin, my health, eat well for that natural glow. As a result, my face, skin and body start showing signs of missing that beauty and skincare routine. As much as I like to be my own boss, I also like to have a proper routine, schedule, discipline and structure for myself. For most of us, this chilly wintry season can bring everything else apart from that natural cheeky glow. But this season can actually create a major havoc on most of us. The harsh seasonal elements and the lack of humidity can actually make most of us very uncomfortable in our own skin, which is why it's really important, it's very essential to take some extra care of our skin, take some time out from our hectic schedule, from our hectic busy schedule and routine. It's very important to just nurture our skin a little more. Now trust me, no one, and I mean no one, likes to see themselves with dull, droopy and lifeless skin. And the major block that I was encountering when I faced this issue was time. I have a really tight schedule and I cannot afford to give ample of hours spending in the salon and just chilling and getting a beauty treatment. So I was looking for something which I can get done quickly and very effective. So yeah, a quick and effective fix was something that I was looking at. But again, I did not want to really use those harsh chemical-full products which are available in the beauty markets. I wanted to use a dependable product, something that I can just try and then use every 20 to 25 days, that can give my skin that boost of nutrients, energy and radiance and a long-lasting glow and smoothness. That is exactly when I tried Oxylife after learning that it is available in almost all the high-end and top salons. Although initially I was a little skeptical because it was my first time of using it, but then there's only one word that I can use for it. It's wow. The results were not only pleasing and satisfactory, but it has given my skin that pure pleasure. So Oxylife addresses 5 major skin concerns that modern age women face. It cleans the skin, it removes suntan, it also gets rid of dead skin cells, it gives instant glow and also evens the skin tone. It also gives that sufficient amount of oxygen that the skin needs. So basically Oxylife breathes life back to the skin. Now I've realized that this is the product that by far has been the best invention and experience that I've had. And I don't have to be worrying about anything now, even if I'm traveling or I'm on the go or something comes up suddenly, like a end moment event that just emerges. So I don't have to worry, I can just use this and I'm good to go. I personally would recommend all of you to try this, but I would also suggest you to do a patch test on your hand before actually trying it onto your face. Now this Oxylife penetrates pure oxygen molecules deep into your skin, which gives a boost of oxygen that is required and needed by your skin. And considering the daily exposure to sun, dust and pollution, the oxygen levels in our skin and around it are significantly affected, and the result is that the skin gets damaged on various levels. So it is very important that we give the required boost of oxygen to our skin. So this is how it looks like. It also is enriched with vitamin E to condition the skin and glycerin to brighten and nourish it. So this is a 9-gram product which is for one-time use. This is priced at rupees 27, and the 27-gram product is priced at rupees 80, which is to be used for 3 times. Upon unboxing the product, it comes with a cream bleach, powder activator, spatula, post-bleach serum and an instructions manual. Now you have to take care of a couple of things before you actually start the process of bleaching. Firstly, your face should be clean and dry. The usage is very simple. Mix the activator with the cream in a ratio of 1:7 and apply it on clean and dry skin. For dark color skin tone people, you have to keep the bleach onto your face for 10 minutes, and for medium skin tone people or fair skin tone people, you have to keep it onto your face for 15 minutes. Once this process is done, you have to then apply the post-bleach Radiance serum for smooth, soft and glowing skin. I do not apply anything on my face after the serum for about 12 to 15 hours, and I avoid getting out in the sun. So I suggest you all to apply this in the evening so that you can skip direct exposure of sun. Now after the entire bleaching process, you will notice a sudden improvement into your skin. You will notice that there is much more freshness and glow onto your face. It will get you rid of all the dirty dead skin cells, and it will also reduce suntan and give a boost of energy onto your face. Now this is something that I would really recommend all of you to try. It's absolutely amazing, and I love the fact that it's ammonia free. So if you have a busy lifestyle routine like I have, then this is definitely a must-have into your beauty kit. I hope you enjoyed this video and found something helpful. If you try this product, let me know your experience and feedback in the comments section below. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.